Hey y'all, welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a package that I got from a fellow soaper. We decided to do a soap swap. So this package is from Melanie. And I went ahead and cut everything up, open, but I haven't opened the package yet. She's from Oregon and I'm in Florida, so we just did a trade-off. I figured it'd be nice to try out other soapers creations and send mine out across country as well. So I'm really excited to see what's in here. Plenty of bubble wrap. Oh yeah. Awesome. Alright. So okay, oh. I don't know how, is that Marion berry tea? Nice. I have never heard of that kind of berry before. And I love hot tea, so can't wait to try that. Got a card from her. Oh. Yay! I'm so excited, Melanie. Thank you for doing this swap with me. So excited to see what's in here. Alright. Oh, cute. This is a bubble scoop. I have never used or seen a bubble scoop in person before. And this is so cute. It's like green and pink. Ooh, that smells good. Mmm, that smells really good. What is this? Chocolates. Oh, that is so cool. Chocolate from Oregon as well. And this is the Black Raspberry Vanilla Artisan Soap. And then there's the name of her soap business there. Monzalvo Soapery. I'm sorry, let's see. Monzalvo Soapery. I have no clue if I'm pronouncing that right, but there's their website right there. And then she's got a Facebook and an Instagram. I'll link all of that down below as well. This is so cute. Oh, look. I love the swirls in that. That is so pretty. Mmm. That smells really good too. Look at the top of this. That's a beautiful soap. I love her packaging too. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is the informational on the bubble bar scoop. It says crumble the bar and hold it under the running water. Use a washcloth or a cotton muslin bag. It helps ensure you don't lose undissolved pieces. Okay. Nice. And then a lotion bar. Vanilla Oak. I also have never used a lotion bar before. I have heard of them plenty of times. But let's see if I can open this really quick. I'm excited to see. To use one of these. It's a cute little tin. Ooh. Oh, that smells good. Oh, I could eat that. So you let the warmth of your hand kind of melt the lotion. Oh, that feels really good too. Nice. Oh, that smells great. says it's got avocado oil, cocoa butter. Okay, that's what I smell in there too. Beeswax, and then the fragrance. Oh, I like that. Okay. Let's see, not sure what this one is. I think, oh, whipped sugar scrub. Creamy fig. To try this out. Just smell it. Mmm, that smells delicious. Creamy fig. Yum. Alright, this is black sea salt artisan bar. Ooh. That's more like a unisex or a more masculine scent. Ooh, that sounds really good though. Oh yes. Oh, I love that swirl. Okay, see what this is. Let's see. This is so cute. That is so adorable. It's so tiny. It looks like a real mini cupcake. And then, ooh, it's another cupcake. Try to open it. She did a really good job packaging everything. I will say that. It made it at least 1,000 miles cross country. See if this will. Open this. Oh, this is cute. Look at the little straw and the little icing on there. Watermelon. Okay, so it's a bath bomb, I think, down here, and then soap up here. That is so neat. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I can't wait to use all of these. Melanie, thank you so much. This is amazing. I'm so excited to try all of these things. So you guys are going to have to go visit her shop, and I'll leave all her information down below as well. But there's her information right there too. I just can't wait to use these soaps. These are beautiful. Yes. Melanie, that was so thoughtful of you to include things from Oregon as well. Yay. That is awesome. I hope you like your package too. Alright guys, so I'm going to sign off, and until next time, we will see y'all on Saturday. Bye.